today I'm reviewing the Facetheory BHA Exfoliating Facial Serum. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out don'tbsbeauty.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the link below. Okay, getting a chance to review another goodie from Facetheory, another brand I love. And if you haven't tried anything from Facetheory, check it out. They've got a US site, and then site UK, and a lot of pretty darn affordable stuff, especially if you can get on sale, obviously. But anyway, so they say the BHA Exfoliating Serum is formulated with alpha-hydroxy and beta-hydroxy acids and urea to stimulate cell renewal, keep skin hydrated while fighting acne, blackheads, and whiteheads, chamomile and green tea extracts, soothe redness and troubled skin. And I'll also do a pH test in a moment. Okay, first criteria is packaging. No issues with the packaging, although I don't know why my azelaic acid from them comes with a pump on it, and this did not. And I should have saved the pump from the last bottle. I don't know why I didn't. Anyway, so we've got the squeeze tube, but I don't know what I was thinking. I should have saved that pump. Save the pumps, especially Niode products. The pumps fit the ordinary and all that good stuff. So I didn't figure that one out myself. Someone else did. So just want to say that. Okay, in terms of the nature drying types of alcohol, it doesn't contain any of those. It also has no fragrance and no real scent. The manufacturing location for this one is the UK, so no issues with that. So we'll do a pH test. This contains glycolic acid as well as salicylic acid. Glycolic acid is needing to be between 3 and 4 to be super effective. Anything outside of that, it's going to be less effective, especially with exfoliating and things like that. Salicylic acid, some people subscribe to the notion that it's not pH dependent. My opinion, my experience, I find salicylic acid works best between 3 and 4 as well. Some people don't believe that, but whatever. So you definitely give this one a good shake before you use it, because I did find it can be a little bit of gritty. Not terribly so, but a little bit if you don't shake it enough. Okay, so here we go with the pH test. These pH strips are so much better than the ones I have in the bathroom. I have a different brand, and anyway. So, the pH of this one looks to be pretty darn close to 3. I don't know if you get... Does that help at all?
That's not going to focus.
Okay, well, whatever.
Turn on the lower camera.
Lower camera.
Look at your monitor.
Okay, there we go. Oh, that's much better. So, pretty darn close to 3. I would say just a notch above 3 for the pH, so that is good. In terms of the actives functioning properly. But has a really nice texture. It feels hydrating on skin. It kind of has like a little milky liquid texture, but it smooths over skin really easily. A couple drops is enough to cover my entire face without any problems. So I recommend applying a few drops to clean, damp skin. I typically don't apply things when it's terribly damp, but concentrate on fine lines, dark spots, areas of hyperpigmentation, then follow up with a moisturizer. Be sure to use sunscreen when you're using this. You should anyway. And if you're new to exfoliants, start out very slow. Use it once or twice a week. Work your way up to using it every other day, and then potentially nightly if you prefer using it nightly. So, very good product. Plays well with other products. No issues at all with that. Okay, so then let's talk about the good ingredients in this one. So, glycolic acid exfoliant, highly water-soluble alpha-hydroxy acid gently exfoliates the striatum corneum to reveal more even tone, luminous complexion. Then we've got carnitine, which is an amino acid with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It enhances skin hydration. It also helps control oil production. Then we've got the title ingredient, salicylic acid, beta-hydroxy acid, which helps regenerate skin surfaces, resurfaces your skin, leaving it soft and bright. Can dive deep into pores to clear out sebum and any blocked oils and things. Helps slow and treat breakouts. So great ingredient for acne-prone skin or troubled skin, things like that. Especially hyperpigmentation, things like that. Then we've got chamomile extract, which is a great antioxidant, soothes tired skin, contains a good range of flavonoids, including quercetin and apingenin. The word looks like apignin. Apingenin. Okay, I'll study that one. Then we've got aloe leaf juice, skin soothing and hydrating ingredient, green tea leaf extract, antioxidant, soothing hydrating ingredient. Then we've got vitamin E, antioxidant, hydrating ingredient. So a really nice list. Not a terribly long list of ingredients, but a good punch of good stuff in here with the proper pH, proper formulation, proper packaging. They did good. Okay, in terms of animal testing, they're cruelty-free, but I do not believe they're totally vegan. I think they might be working on that, but don't quote me on that. Okay, in terms of performance, does a really nice job exfoliating skin, but not leaving your skin feeling nice or dry. I mean, like a lot of exfoliants are kind of harsh. They leave your skin feeling peeling, cracked, dry, red. This doesn't do that at all. This is probably one of the closer BHA products to some of my favorites from Paula's Choice. They have the best line of exfoliants around. This one is pretty far up there with those. Does a nice job. Helps with skin brightness, breakouts. And then the nice thing for acne-prone skin, there's only one ingredient of note, and that is vitamin E. So that is awesome. Okay, in terms of the price, so I'm a little torn on this. Whether to give it a thumbs up or thumbs down. I'm a little torn on this. So this is a full-size 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, and retails for $32. So it's not ridiculously expensive. Like some of the Paula's Choice exfoliants are really expensive, but it's not like super affordable either. Like the Geek and Gorgeous Perfectly Clear 2% BHA serum is like $10. So it's kind of in there. They typically have sales, Facetheory does. Typically they're like 25% off. So if you get on sale at 25% off, it's a good deal. If you pay full price, $32, it's right on the edge of being a little expensive. Although 2 drops covers my face, so 1 bottle is good for several months. So a little torn, but I wish, if they do so many sales, I wish they would just lower the regular price a little bit. And then we wouldn't have any problem, but whatever. Okay, then in terms of the it factor, really like it. Sensitive skin friendly, acne prone skin friendly, good ingredients, proper pH, cruelty free, almost affordable. Good product overall. So with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave it a 9. The price is the only slight issue, which isn't even too much. It's like almost like a 9.5, I'll say. So anyway, worth checking out. Interested in from you guys if you've had a chance to try this, and if you have, what your thoughts are. If you tried anything else from Facetheory, what have you thought? Leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.